Okay, we're done with all this nonsense. Because Christmas is coming early, boys. You want to guard the... Will you stop staring at each other? This says catnip. Alright, let's start. Day 1. What have we? We have... wood. This is literally sticks. Hold on. I'm gonna chew on this. That's wood. That's literally wood. Okay. Happy holidays from Petco. Thank you, Petco. Nothing like giving me wood. Hair scrunchie. Okay, this one's actually good. I did not mean to do that, Adam. Let's see, what have we here? We have a little mouse thing. Would you like the little mouse thing? Do you want to pick out? Okay, so we're opening number 10, right? What number? You gotta push. That's already been opened. See? That's that. Is that... You want the box. Okay, well, let me finish opening these. Oh, we got the pickle. I know someone who loves the pickle. Would you like the pickle? He loves the pickle. Let him get the pickle. Oh, looks like we're opening day 12. Oh, we got the little fuzzy thingy. Here. I can't open this if you're on the box. Here, I'm just gonna use this to decorate the tree. That way. Okay. Okay, why do you like the stick? That's what I want to know. What is this stick thing? What is that? What? Like, I bit into it. It's actually wood. Why? Okay. Like I said, I can't open this if you're on top of it. So, okay. You can't be rolling onto it and me open it. Can I? See, that's what I'm talking about. Oh my God, they gave a treat. Here, take your Christmas tree treat. Go get it. I'm sure it's filled with catnip. No, you can't just lay on top of it. I have to be able to open. I cannot open it if you're... See, you're making things so difficult for no reason. There's nothing in here. Oh, there it is. Here. We got a thing here. Jaden, the box is not the toy. It's not. The box isn't the toy. I know. It's so exciting. It's really your favorite part of the entire thing is the box. Oh, this one jingles. Do you care about the bell? No. Adam, would you like the bell? Well, let's see here. Can you move just a smidge? Just a smidgen? No. See, this is the issue. What is this? Mary making catnip spray? Oh, hey. Hey, there's catnip spray. How do I open this? You are really protective over that box. Hold on, I got catnip spray. I'm trying to open it. Jaden. Are you protecting your... Okay. Here. Well, don't look at me all funky. I just sprayed something. All right, let's see. Day 11. All right, we got, oh, the guy loves these. He also loves these. All right, I got one left. We got one left, boys. Oops. There. Oh, it's a little stocking. All right. Well, Jaden, here you go. That's all you've been wanting.